Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 fog light bulb. First, gather your tools like a T25 torque screwdriver and a new H11 bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent burns. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the mechanic. We'll cover each step clearly, making it easy for you to follow along. Let's get started with accessing the fog light housing. To access the fog light, begin by turning your steering wheel fully to the side opposite the light you're changing. This gives you better access to the wheel well. Next, locate and remove the 3T25 torque screws holding the wheel well liner in place. Once these screws are out, gently pull back the plastic liner. This action will reveal the fog light assembly, allowing you to reach the bulb housing easily. Be careful not to damage the liner. Now that you have access, twist the bulb housing counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it. Gently pull the old H11 bulb straight out from its socket, being careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Insert the new H11 bulb into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Then, twist the housing clockwise to lock it back into place securely. This ensures a proper connection. After securing the new bulb, carefully push the wheel well liner back into its original position. Reinsert and tighten the 3T25 torque screws to hold the liner firmly. Finally, turn on your vehicle and activate the fog lights to ensure the new bulb is working correctly. If it illuminates, you've successfully replaced your Audi A3 fog light bulb. For more great tips and deals, check the description below. Also, there's a book linked there that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.